Good news to those of you looking for 1000 subscribers. This is the right video for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how to get a 1000 subscriber within 2 days. In this channel was able to get 502 subscribers within 24 hours, and this one was able to get 140 subscribers within 6 hours. This is proven strategy. I have used it myself, and others have used it also and confirm it. Pay attention to this video. In this video I'm going to show you step by step all the process I took to be able to get this 1000 subscribers. If you follow me to the end of this video, because stopping half may stop you from getting this 1000 subscribers. And hello, if you are above 1000 subscribers, this video is definitely not for you. So, and if you're also looking for how to get your 4000 watch hours, watch this video over here so that you'll be able to get your 4000 watch hours to monetize your channel. Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Shavera. In this channel I teach small creators how to get their 1000 subscribers, watch hours, monetize their channel, and also the do's and don'ts they need to avoid on YouTube. So if this is really what you want, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive straight to the video now. So here you are going to need a couple of apps, which is getting your Instagram and also Instagram downloader. You are going to use Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, it's very easy to download. Just get one for yourself for this video. Let's assume you have your Instagram already and your Instagram downloader. So you come to this place, click Instagram. So once you click Instagram, you come to this place, click search. So you see a lot of videos here, a lot of shorts here with millions of views. So that's not where we're going to. You come to this place and click search. So you click trending. I already have it because that's what I'm using. So you're going to see trending things here. These are the things that are trending. You look for very catchy one, the one that has millions of views. That's the ones you are going to look for. Like this one have 521 million views. So if you look at this one, you will see that this one is very, very interesting. Just look at it. Anybody that see this video want to watch it. This one is very okay. What you need to do, you come to this place and click. You click copy link. You go straight to Chrome. You click here. So what I'm going to type here is Instagram downloader. It's already here because I'm using it. You click here. So once you click here, you come to this place. You have different type here. This one is a Snap Insta. So let's go for this one. Once you click here, that link you copy, you come here and paste it. So once you paste it here, you click download. Automatically it's downloading. Close. So look at the video here. You come to this place, you click download. Close. It's saying save. You click on save. You come here again, you click on save. It has opened. So I click here. So it's showing me different app here. I can share it to WhatsApp. I can also share it to YouTube direct here, to Facebook, to TikTok, anywhere I want to share it. But I want to avoid mistake. This is where the work is. If you share this thing directly, a lot of them have sound, and that sound can get you copyright. So all you need to do is take it straight to CapCut. Okay, what we're going to do and check if the thing really has sound. So we're going to remove the sound. If you like, you can remove the sound and add sound. There is still sound here in CapCut you can use. So I'll just mute it, remove the sound here. I don't want the sound, I just want the video, because I'm going to take sound inside YouTube to place on it. So this is very, very catchy. Imagine anybody that sees it will want to laugh. So all you need to do, you export. Once you export it here, let's go back to YouTube. Now come to YouTube here. So come to this place, you click short. This is the video here. Click here, come here, click next. So this is it. This place say add sound. So this is where you are going to pick sound that you want to use for the video. So So these are the sounds we have here. You will recommend trending sound for you, because with trending sound anything can go viral. So you use trending sound. Look at these ones. Look for the ones that have highest number. We have friendship have 27 million shots here. This one have 3 million shots. This one have 1.6 million. This one have other number. So let's go with friendship. Once you click here, you click on this blue arrow here, you have already added sound to this video. You come to this place, you click next. Once you click next, come to this icon, pencil icon here. So this place, I want to pick the thumbnail that I want to use. This one now is very catchy. I will come to this place, I will say unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I'll place it where it will not distract the video. Let's place it here. This place to not distract the video. I'll click save. So once I come to this place, I'm going to put my caption unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'll put hashtag. The less hashtag you put on your video, the better for the video, because it's not healthy for you to suffocate your short or video with too much hashtags. So I'm using one hashtag here. So I'm sending it public direct because I'm doing much. So it's not only one shot you upload a day. You upload 5 to 7 shots every day, and all of them, I just did one. I was checking it this afternoon. It has given me 31k view. That is the number of view that one has given me. Maybe I will show you once we get to that place. Okay, ready to go now. So you come to this place, audience setting. Here, if it's made for kids, you say yes. If it's not made for kids, you say no. You click, because this one is not made for kids. You come to this place, altered content. Is that AI? If it's AI, you said yes. If it's not AI, you said no. Look at it here. So you pick the one that you want. I'll pick yes, because that thing is AI. So that is it. So come to this place, we upload. Mommy, no. It's already going. Look at it. So this is the one I was telling you. If you can see, I have it here. This is what I'm doing. Look at this one here. It's giving me 31. This ones I've not released it. This one gave me 31k views. 31k views. And I'm sure that this 31k view have given me about 30 subscribers recently. So it's still going. So this is what I do. I'm not telling you what I've not tried. This is what I have tried. It's already public. So people will start watching it. I did not use sound. Like this is very, very safe like this, because I did not use any sound. I put my own sound, which is taking sound from YouTube. So guys, this is it. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. And once you hit your 1,000 subscribers, delete all these shorts so that they will not keep bringing more shorts, more subscribers for you, so that you can now focus and build the kind of subscribers and viewers that you want in your channel. So this is it, guys. Take care. Hello guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share this good news to others to get. See you in my next video. Bye bye.